Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to deposit money into Robinhood Bank. I know a lot of you are interested in Robinhood because it's a popular investing platform that offers commission-free trades. But did you know that Robinhood also has a bank? Robinhood Bank is a high-yield savings and checking account that offers a number of benefits, including no monthly fees, no minimum balance requirements, competitive interest rates, FDIC insurance. So, how do you deposit money into Robinhood Bank? Go to the Robinhood website and click on the Bank tab. Enter your email address and create a password. Verify your account by providing your name, date of birth, and social security number. Once your account is verified, you can add funds to your account by linking your bank account or debit card. Additional tips. You can also deposit money into Robinhood Bank by using a wire transfer. It may take a few days for your funds to be available for trading. You can view your transaction history and account balance in the Robinhood app. I hope this video has helped you learn how to deposit money into Robinhood Bank. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.